Hey YouTube, what's up, what's up? Welcome to Home and Garden Fix and Tricks. I'm Michael. So we have in the Monday evening, yeah. This is December 30th. And who know, but me I gotta tell the people them who don't know. It's called pudding. Bacon pudding. Now what type of pudding? Guess. Guess it in the comment section, guys. But I'm gonna show you, but I want you to guess it. Just type it in first, and then you type if you did correct. Well, hallelujah. We say fire bottom or fire top, and hallelujah in the middle. So, moment of truth, guys. I'm gonna open it and show you. I'll show you guys. Look at it. Steaming, eh? Beautiful. So, it's potato pudding. So if you did correct, big up yourself. Good old Jamaican potato pudding. We could have put it in the oven, but we want to do it the traditional way. Me and Chin there. Big up yourself, Chin.
Hello.
I fear production, you know, guys. Yeah. Real country girl. Yeah. So guys, this is the finished product, you know. We did not do it with the cream on the top. You know what I'm saying? So I cut it and I'm going to show you what I go on. Yeah, man, you look good, man. Trust me. So guys, see it there? Look really nice, you know, man. See there? Juicy and nice, you know, people. See?
Turn the bottom.
Dollar raisin in it. See bottom
Don't
there?
even burn.
Is it? Yeah, man.
Now watch it up.
Nice. I tell the people. Yeah, man. See there? Gummy. Yeah, man, people. Bad. Pussy.
Marapus.
Nice, folks. Trust me. Really nice. Just take it from me, man. Believe me. Yeah, man. Really, really, really nice. Remember to like the video, guys. Right, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and check out the older videos. Alright, now it's about after 10 in the night. I'm up eating pudding. I tell the people, see it? Rich, nice peeps.